Unlock a treasure trove of gift cards and subscriptions, all by leveraging the power of Microsoft Rewards. First, let's tackle the daily basics. Head over to the Microsoft Rewards dashboard, usually found on Bing or within your Microsoft account. See those daily sets. Click on each one. These are quick and easy quizzes, polls, or simple click browse that reward you instantly. Next up, search. Make Bing your go-to search engine. You earn points for every search you conduct, up to a daily limit. Mix up your searches with different topics to maximize your rewards. Keep an eye out for bonus offers. Microsoft frequently runs promotions that give you extra points for completing specific tasks, like trying a new game on Xbox or making a purchase through the Microsoft Store. These limited-time offers can significantly boost your point total. Speaking of purchases, remember that you earn points for every dollar you spend in the Microsoft Store. If you're planning on buying a new game, subscription, or even some software, do it through the Microsoft Store to rack up those extra points. Finally, the best part, redeeming your points. Once you've accumulated enough, head to the redeem page. You can trade your points for gift cards to your favorite stores, subscriptions to services like Xbox Game Pass, or even donate to charity. It's a win-win situation. So, there you have it. By consistently utilizing these simple methods, daily sets, Bing searches, bonus offers, and Microsoft Store purchases, you'll be swimming in Microsoft Rewards points in no time. Happy earning!